Hey guys, it's Miss Wilkerson. Happy Wednesday. You guys should have gotten a new packet yesterday or today for your new work for the next few days. And for math, this day, you guys is day 21. You guys are going to do data review. So there's this whole sheet that you guys are going to look at and answer the questions. I'm going to pull back just a little bit to show you. So you have a pictograph up here. I'm going to pull it down just a little bit so you can read it. So I'm going to read it to you, and then you're going to go off and answer the questions, okay? All right. So you have, what is your favorite flavor of ice cream? So each ice cream cone equals one person voting for that. So for chocolate, you have a number. For vanilla, you have a number. And for strawberry, you have a number. And what I like to do is when I have a pictograph, I like to go through and I like to count them. And then I like to put how many is in there. So I counted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That way when I answer the question, I can go through and know the numbers already. So it says, how many first graders responded to this survey? So you're going to add all 3 of these numbers up. So you're going to add the 3 add-ins. And somewhere over here or on a notebook piece of paper, you can write your equation. So you're going to have 3 numbers. So you're going to have this number plus this number plus this number equals, I don't know. So you're going to put each one of these numbers in that line. How do you know? You can just, if you want to, point up to the equation, or you can write the equation again on the line. How many more students like vanilla than strawberry? So you're going to take the vanilla number and you're going to subtract the strawberry number. So you're going to write vanilla minus strawberry equals, I don't know. And then you're going to write your answer and you're going to put it right on this line. Then it says how many fewer students liked chocolate than vanilla. You're going to go back up here. So here's vanilla. And you're going to subtract again. So you're going to subtract vanilla from chocolate. Oops, I gave you the answer to that one. Let me erase that. You're going to draw a line. And then whatever your answer is, you're going to put on that box. Okay? All right, so let's look at the next one. So you have students in first grade answered the following question. Do you have a brother? This is called a bar graph. So each rectangle or square is one person. So if I were you, I would go through and I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people said yes, they had a brother. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 people said no. So how many people have a brother? You would write how many people said yes, how many people do not. How many people answered the survey? That's just like this one up here. You're going to write how many in total. So you're going to add those 2 numbers up. All right, now we're going to come down here to where they're talking about sports. Now you see they asked what your favorite sport was. We have basketball, soccer, and baseball, and they already gave you the numbers, so they made it a little easier for you. So how many or which sport do students like most? You obviously picked the biggest number. Which sport do students like least? Least is the smallest number, so you'd write that. Sport, don't write the number, write the sport. How many more students liked soccer than baseball? We're going to do the same thing we did in the other one. You're going to go to soccer, and you're going to subtract baseball, and then you're going to write the answer. And then how many fewer students liked basketball than baseball? You're going to do the same thing. Something minus something equals I don't know. And again, down here, you can write your equation if you want to. Okay? And the last one, we have a tally mark chart. Do you have blue eyes, brown eyes, or green eyes? And they did all of these. These that have 1, 2, 3, 4 and a line through it, that's 5. So you have 5, 6, 7, 5, 10, 11, 12, and then 1, 2, 3. I'm in this group. I have green eyes. How many people answered the survey? Again, you're going to combine all of them. You're going to write 3 add-ins. So something plus something plus something equals something. How many students have blue eyes? How many students have brown eyes? How many students have green eyes? And this one's a little different. How many students have blue or green? So that means you're going to come up here and you're going to count blue plus green. Okay? And then how do you know? You're going to write your equation. All right? So this is the day 21 review. And then those are how you're going to answer all of your questions. Okay? All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.